If your Google My Business listing is suspended, or if you are having trouble getting your Google My Business listing be getting approved, or also known as a Google Maps location, getting your location approved at Google, then you are at the right video, because in this video I will tell you step by step on what steps we took, what are the common causes of Google My Business suspensions, how we address a specific client case study, and also you can hire me and my team as well to get it restored. So let's get started with, first of all, the step on what are the common reasons on why your Google My Business listing is getting suspended. So the number one and the most common reason why your Google My Business listing is suspended is due to your, I say that, wrong account settings. Account settings, most of the time, the mistake people do whenever they are working on a Google My Business location is to submit a wrong details while filling out your profile, and this is one of the cause or issue which actually is a very big problem, and people do not work on it, and they are getting, oh, my Google Business profile is suspended or rejected. So this is one of the thing. The second thing is, after having entered the right account settings, is to look around for your address and location issues. The fake addresses do not work, the virtual addresses do not work. You have to come up with something right. Incorrect address format, wrong documentation on someone else's name, business on someone else's name. Fake things do not work, guys. You need to work practical. And apart from this, you are also violating Google guidelines. You are doing keyword stuffing just to rank on local SEO terms. You are just trying to add the keyword in your business. This do not help, and this actually causes the long-term issues. And the similar was with our client as well, and it took us many months to get it restored just because of one of these violations. Apart from this, some business also do is multiple business listing for the same business. This is another cause of concern for the client, because all of these processes actually delays your approval process, which is actually essential or necessary to get your profile approved. And there are some businesses which do not qualify for a Google business type. So what we do is actually work on the changing category, putting it the right category. When you're trying to create your Google business profile, actually helps, or looking out for those categories in which you can work. And one thing is very, very essential and important, as to understand what your competitors are doing. Your competitive strategies, that is very important. If you have any of the competitors who are running the Google business profile, it is very important to understand what kind of practices they are doing, how their Google profile is organized, so you can come up accordingly. After this, we have been seeing many too much ownership issues. People are trying to claim listings as their own, because you have an option like you can claim a listing, and this causes an issue. And the frequent ownership transfers actually causes Google reviews to see manually what's happening, why people are doing it. Also, unverified listings, too much editing, too much having information adding without any realistic information actually causes a concern. Plus suspicious spammer activities. People are, what they do is, they usually buy reviews. And let me tell you one thing really honest, and that when you try to add reviews fake on Google system is very, very advanced right now, and all of those reviews will be detected and deleted very soon. And in case of some delays, they can be even deleted within a month. So we have seen it, we have experienced it, and we do not recommend people to do it, which causes an issue. Now, when I'm saying we, it means me and my team. Apart from this, the website and contact information actually do not match with the Google My Business profile, and that is another reason, which causes suspension for Google My Business. And suspension is not only caused on Google AI, but also, the manual team also check, and in case of the business profile is not, fulfilling the guidelines, they will even remove that as well. And that was one of the reason, for my client. I'm going to show you as well. And now, to avoid suspension, make sure that you provide exact business details across all platforms, follow Google business profile guideline, use a real verifiable address, avoid excessive edits, and hire a company like us to get your issues restored. We even help with clients for Google Merchant Center suspensions, Google Ads disapprovals, website management, plus we help with clients for Google My Business as well. So now I'm going to start for a recent case study for one of my client, so let's get started with the process. So, guys, this is Google My Business result for ourselves, and even there are a lot of things which we make and add to optimize our Google Business profile. But however, the essential information is over there, and I can see the profile strength, and there is always a room for improvement, which is over here. And then we can add several things as well. We can add our product lines over here. The even the profile is not complete over here. So let's get started on the client. So this is the client website, and the client actually provides business consultancy over. And this is their services in a Canadian region. So this is their website, and once we started working around, the main issue was the phone number over here and the phone number of the Google business profile was different. And unfortunately, when we were trying to use the same phone number, there was an error and we were not able to receive the exact digit codes. So there was an issue when we were trying to register. The phone number was providing us 4 digits. However, the Google My Business requires 6 digits for the phone number verification, and we were getting failed. So what we thought, how about changing the number? But however, the client was like, this number has been over every place, and all of the clients know us by this number, and we cannot change this number. So this was the first challenge which we faced when we were trying to get the Google My Business profile approved. And somehow what we did was persuaded the client or convinced him that we need to use another number. And then we started the process, and I'm going to show you as well the process. And as soon as our profile was being created, this is their message we get. We do understand that you have uploaded the video and you are a freelancer and would like to verify your business profile. Please do not worry, we are to help you with this. As per our text, we see that you have updated incorrect business name under your business profile. We suggest you to update the correct business as per the real world so that we can proceed with the verification. This was the first thing. And after this, hi Ali, greetings. This email is in reference to concern regarding this, and as per our text we see that you have uploaded incorrect service. So the service area needed to be correct, the states were needed to be correct. And after this, this is almost the same email, and after this another email. We understand that your business is on online business. We would like to know that if you have any in-person contact with the customer or is it completely online. After this, your business profile couldn't be verified to show on Google search and maps because it's an online business which doesn't comply with our eligibility guideline. As a result, your profile has been disabled. And so this was a very sad moment for our client, because the process was to get the profile approved and it was failed. So see how difficult it was for the client. Then what we did was we did a remap of the website. We looked around the policies where it was violating. We come up with a different category, and we actually looked for the consultation category, which actually sorted out our issue. Apart from adding the consultation category, we optimized the Google My Business profile, done some changes on the website, done some details on the about us, contact us page of the website, plus added a lot of information on our Google My Business profile. And then I had a frequent call with my dedicated manager, just to let you know that I'm running a Google partner company, and as a dedicated we have a dedicated manager. And once I talked with them, and then the follow-up was done by my team, who made it sure that there should not be a single loop behind to get the procedure approved. However, this took a little while than expected. And we also looked even on the comparators. I'm just going to show you the data as well, apart from looking around matching on all the policies. And we even look for the comparator data. Almost everything was being the pages, the keywords, and their Google My Business listings, their Google ads, everything was being documented over here. It was also discussed with the Google team, and also looked on what things our comparator used. And then finally we got an email after a lot of time that finally your appeal has been approved. After submitting many appeals, we finally were able to approve your recent appeal for our restricted listing has been approved. You may need to allow for up to 24 hours, and I'm going to show you practically as well now that you can check the store as well over here. You can see, I'm going to refresh it, so you can see over here that the listings now appear over here as a legal service. Over here you can see over here you can call. Still the optimization is needed to be done, and we also will provide Google My Business optimization service as well, so just in case if you need either of that. So here is another successful case study for our client, and thanks to my team who worked along with me to get it approved. So in case if you need Google My Business restoration service, or in case if you need help in getting your Google My Business store approved, or in case business listing, I mean to say, and in case if you need help with the Google Merchant Center disapprovals, Google Ads disapprovals, or in case if you need any of the digital marketing service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we would love to work with you. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. If you have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And in case if you want to hire us, you can hire us through the link in the description. And lastly, we are a Google partner company, so you can buy with confidence. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.